Hello everyone, my name is Alexa Nanovich. I'm in 7th grade. So first, here's a little bit about my mentor. Her name is Juhi. She went to Rice University and has a master's degree in computer science. She works at Microsoft. She currently lives in Seattle and is originally from India. Some of her hobbies are singing, composing poems, and playing the guitar. This is also her second time mentoring with Magic. So for my project, I made a small HTML and CSS website to start, and after that, I learned how to use JavaScript and use functions and how to make buttons, and then I added that to my website. I also made a little button demo to help me practice using them. And after that, I made a HTML, CSS, and JavaScript slideshow to add to my website, which helped make the photos look really nice and stuff. So then, a little bit about my experience. I've had a great year. I've really enjoyed getting to know my mentor. I really enjoyed studying HTML, JavaScript, and CSS. Something I've learned this year is that coding isn't just as easy as writing it out and it just works just like that. It's really a process of coding and debugging and coding and debugging. It takes a while, and it's really important to stay patient and have just relax and stuff. So I learned this when I was having a lot of trouble with a photo or something, and I was getting very frustrated. So I relaxed and I stayed patient, and so I kept working, and it was a lot easier to work after that because I wasn't as frustrated. So this is my demo. It's just a video of my website and the code. So first I'll show you the code and then the actual website part. Oops, hold on. It might not work at first. Hold on. Alright, so first you can see the JavaScript buttons. It's like a little code, and then the HTML navigation bar on my website. So here's the first category. It's just the animal photos category. It's has all this code is the same on all three categories. It's a lot of HTML and stuff. So here's the second category. It's, as you can see, the code is the same on it, and then the scenery photos, it's the same. So here's the About Me page. It's basically the same as the home page, but it has a little sentence about me. And so after that, I have my website's CSS and my JavaScript, and then I have an extra little JavaScript page that's for the buttons. It's just like a little function. All right, so here's the non-code portion. It's so here's the home page. It has the navigation bar and my two little buttons that say hello and goodbye. And then, so here's the first category, the animal category. It has this, all these pictures with the cool slide effect that had all the stuff I was showing you. So then this is the same, it just has plant photos, and this is the same, it has scenery photos. And then this is my About Me page. It's it just has this stuff. All right. Thank you.